Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Your friend GM is here to share more information about English literature. Today I have choose the topic for my video on literature, the Puritan Age, the age of Milton, 1603 to 1660. You are looking at the slide, the first slide. Let's start our video without any delay. The Puritan Age, kings of the age: James I, 1603 to 1625, James II, 1625 to 1649, the Commonwealth and the Protectorate, 1649 to 1660, Charles II, 1660 to 1688, James II, 1685 to 1688, William III and Mary, 1689 to 1702. Age of Milton, 1603 to 1660. Chronology: history of the age: 1603 James I, 1604 divine rights of kings proclaimed, 1620 pilgrimage fathers at Plymouth, 1625 Charles I, Parliament dissolved, 1628 Petition of Rights, 1630 to 1640 the King's rule without Parliament, 1642 Civil War between King and the Parliament. The age of Milton, 1603 to 1660. History of the age: 1643 pass censorship, 1645 Battle of Nisba, victory of Puritans, 1649 execution of Charles I, 1649 to 1660 Commonwealth, Protectorate of Oliver Cromwell and Richard Cromwell. The age of Milton, 1603 to 1660. The literature of the age: 1603 Johnson Sejanus, 1605 Bacon's Advancement of Learning, 1606 Waltonese, 1608 Birth of Milton, 1611 the Authorized Version of Bibles, 1620 to 1642 Shakespeare's Successor and End of Drama, 1621 Burton, Anatomy of Melancholy. Literature of the age: the age of Milton, 1603 to 1660, 1623 Wither's Hymn Book, 1629 Ode on Nativity, 1630s to 1633 Herbert's Poems, 1632 to 1637 Milton's Horton Poetry, 1642 Brown's Religious Medicine, 1644 Milton's Areopagitica, 1651 Hobbes' Leviathan, 1653 Isaac Walton Complete Angler, 1666 Bunyan's Grace Abounding, 1667 Paradise Lost, 1668 Pilgrim's Progress. Thanks to watch the video. Please promote my channel to your fellows. Thanks again. The age of Milton, the Puritan Age, 1603 to 1660. Thank you so much to listen and watch the video. Please stay connected with me to get more videos on English literature. Thank you so much.